everyone, my name is Jamie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So glad to have you. Today, in honor of Halloween, I'm gonna be transforming into a BRATZ doll. I've watched a few tutorials online of other people doing it, and to be honest, it looks relatively simple the way that they do it, but I don't know if that's just them being a really good makeup artist or if that's just it being really simple. But we're gonna try it anyway, so without further ado, let's get on to the first step, which is gonna be gluing down my eyebrows. I'm terrified of this. I'm gonna look like an alien, but it's gonna be great. We're gonna take the trusty dusty Elmer's glue stick and just glue down my eyebrows. Oh my lord. I look like Count Olaf from Lemony Snicket's Unfortunate Events. So now I'm gonna conceal these because no one wants to see that. And I'm just gonna color correct so you can't see the blue undertone when I have all my makeup on. You're supposed to use a color corrector for this, but I don't have one. So I'm just gonna use eyeshadow to put the color there, and hopefully that works the same. And there you guys go. There's the completed look. I look great. I bet you wish you were me right now. Now I have to conceal these all the way down. So I'm gonna go in with just my foundation and my concealer and just try to get rid of them. It's really rough, but they're concealed. I mean, you can't see them. Does that look weird? Okay, so on to the next step. I'm gonna start off with the eyeliner and the base of the eye because it's gonna come a little bit under my natural eye to open them up and look like a BRATZ doll. Whew, I had to take that jacket off because it was way too hot in here. I look sick, not as in the good way, but ill. Okay, I think that's good for the under eyes. I'm gonna move on to lining the over eyes now. This is hard. Not gonna lie. Oh, my eye itches. Itches! I can't itch it. I'm gonna go insane. Mind over matter. I did the bottom, I outlined it, and then I did the top wing, and then I kind of made a fake crease for my eyelid right there. I feel like it looks really bad right now, but I'm hoping it'll come together. Let's hope. So that's the crease right there and the top lid and then the wing. Then I'm going to put a half iris like right there so that it looks like it blends into my natural iris, hopefully. I'm just gonna go ahead and sketch in one of my eyebrows because I'm getting tired of this eye and I need a break. So this is why I had to glue my eyebrows down. I'm gonna be sketching on entirely new eyebrows right over top my natural ones. There's one of my eyebrows. Let me just start on my iris again. Is it starting to come together yet? The answer is no. So now that all of it is pretty much done, now I'm gonna go and do the fake lashes that they have painted on their eyes. Hopefully it'll turn out the same way it looks on them. It probably won't because of how this video is going so far. And come on, amateur. Okay, it's coming together a little. So literally an hour later, this eye is complete. Now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll see you guys in another hour. It's actually coming together. I actually look like, sort of, like a BRATZ doll. It's so cool. So now I'm done with the eyes, and I'm gonna move on to contour. And BRATZ dolls have the smallest, tiniest, teeniest little noses in the world. So I'm just going to be contouring as small as possible. Can't even see my eyes anymore. It's just like big white BRATZ eye. Oh, I'm so stoked. And now for the fun part. I get to overdraw my lips like no other. I've never overlined my lips before, so hopefully this goes okay. yeah, it needs more. So this is it, all done, all completed. I look pretty terrifying, to be honest, but it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I kind of look like a Bratz doll. If you're like far away and you squint one eye and then you squint the other one and just close them both, then you see it. It's like perfect. It looks just like a Bratz doll. That concludes my Bratz doll makeup look for Halloween. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I didn't think I would do this well, really. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want more, subscribe down below, leave this video a like. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks guys, bye!